Hey people, this is Unnati Gupta and Light Smile is back with another video. This is gonna be part 2 where we are going to ask questions about mental health and people are going to answer our questions. So keep watching. So my very first question is to you. How do you maintain the balance between mental health and physical health?
Well, what we do is because nowadays we are working from home, so we get a lot of time for ourselves. So we just cook something. We just go for meditation, and that actually helps us in balancing our work life. Because I sing and I dance, so that keeps me motivated. She cooks and she has all of her Ayurveda and stuff, so that keeps her motivated.
I'm not really sure. Probably we're working out and going out more. So when you're just sitting in a room all closed up, that tends to for me personally tends to affect my mental health. So I guess taking a walk outside, going and talking to 2 or 3 close friends and family members, that may help create a balance between physical health and mental health.
Obviously, your physical health does impact your mental health. Like if you're in a bad mood, you can just go dance or do something like that, and it would definitely boost up your mood. Rest, I think meditation is the best thing to do for your mental health.
The house vibes matters a lot. How do you actually maintain your house makes more impact on how you maintain yourself. So
What do you
that's how-
think? Does overthinking lead to depression?
Definitely, because actually आजकल का ट्रेंड ऐसा है कि people go towards negativity more. So once they start thinking, they will start overthinking, which leads to depression definitely. और वो डिप्रेशन कुछ कोविड की वजह से भी हम लोग को हो रहा है और कुछ भी people are adding more to it by thinking too much.
I think it's more than leading to, it's rather a symptom of depression. Yeah, because if you're depressed, yes, then there is a chance. If you're anxious or if you're depressed, then there's a chance that you will overthink things.
So my another question is to you. Can you tell me 3 movies name that shows mental health condition or psychological conditions?
Yeah, for me, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Dear Zindagi.
Yeah, Dear Zindagi.
Yeah.
And
Okay, one
Ishan Awasthi, Tare Zameen Par.
Oh yes. Okay. Yeah.
My name is Ishan, so I relate more to him.
Okay, that's great.
Well, I recall Tere Naam was one, maybe. I don't know. He was in jail.
Dear Zindagi, the first one, and okay, no, I'm not really sure about the names. This is the only one I remember by far.
Tamasha is like a very big jug. All the Imtiaz Ali movies are basically some mental health disorder. I don't know if people are able to recognize it or not. But yes, Tamasha is a very big blockage or suppression of emotions, you can say.
Can you tell me if social media is there? Like we are so much into social media, and does it taking to our youth, the youngsters, towards the depression?
It's very true. You're absolutely correct because that is affecting them. They have nothing better to do because वर्क तो उन लोग का इतना काम तो रह नहीं गया ऑफिस में वर्क फ्रॉम होम है तो दे फाइंड सोलेस इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग ओनली कि चलो हम अपना सोशल मीडिया में ही क्यों ना अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व करें तो उसकी वजह से भी बिकॉज दे थिंक टू मच समटाइम्स दे टेंड टू क्रिटिसाइज अदर्स समटाइम्स दे टेंड टू bully others exactly so that leads to depression definitely
Okay.
because they themselves are sure that they are wrong while doing so.
Yeah, I got you.
Because they are comparing themselves to others by social media.
Yeah.
Because he's traveling, I can't travel. She's doing this, I can't do this.
Yeah, making money, good
Yes.
money. Yeah.
They don't understand everything takes time, and hard work is something. It's up to you. You can't scroll and say कि मेरी life में कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. You have to actually get up and work, and results will show.
Okay. If a person who is an introvert and who is not that socializing with someone, what do you think? Is that person in depression?
I can't say that person is in depression. Maybe, maybe not. That depends from person to person. For example, I'll quote myself. I don't really like to hang out with many people. I like to stay with limited people. It's their personal choice as well, and some people are depressed. You can't say that they are not depressed. It depends from situation to situation.
Okay.
In my understanding, yes, he or she might be suffering from a depression, who is an introvert and finds it quite tough to express his or her feelings. So yes, they would tend to accumulate all their thoughts and feelings within themselves, which will not make them as happy as they can be.
So you are advising to people to come out with their problems if they are facing any problem with mental health.
Yes, I would say always being open about your thoughts, about your feelings is something that will always help you. And it's always advisable in case you find yourself an introvert and you think that it wouldn't be that convenient for you and you're a bit hesitant or you carry any inhibitions, then there are certain platforms where you can reach out to the people, and the groups are out there in our societies like yours, who are probably helping such people.
Any Bollywood actor or actresses that have been through mental health condition?
I think Anushka Sharma. I mean, not Deepika Padukone because I think she fakes a lot. But I think Anushka Sharma has been through all these things.
Don't you think about Sushant Singh Rajput?
I personally don't think.
Okay, you think that person is that person haven't been through the medical.
Yeah, he was not into depression. Whatever happened with him was his own personal choice.
Deepika Padukone and Shaheen Bhatt.
Deepika Padukone and I think Rajkumar Rao, and they are saying that they in the initial stages they have faces the mental issues.
What if a person is suffering from mental health conditions? What would you like? What advices would you like to give?
I think they should definitely ask for help, because that is a very, I was not able to ask for help when I was suffering. So I think that is something which is lacking in Indian culture as well, because
Yeah, so you have suffered with mental health.
not like,
Not in particular, not really deep.
yeah, you can, there is no level of
Justifying.
justifying it. But yes, I have been through depression and I have been through phases, so yeah.
Okay.
I think talking it out, if even going to a therapist, it really works. I think that should be so normalized that people should do that. Should be the first solution that people should be doing, instead of thinking that what we should do or
What
should
other
be
will
there.
think about
Yeah,
that.
what other will think, exactly.
So, as you watched in our video, that everyone is advising that if you are suffering from any mental health condition, then you have to visit a psychologist. Don't feel shame to go to psychologist. And Life Smile is always there to help you out in giving therapies and online counseling. The website is given in the description box below. If you liked our video, then give us a thumbs up. And do comment your views and thoughts, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever we upload a new video, you can get the notification and update. Thank you so much for watching our video.